The monument to the Ten Commandments on the grounds of the state capitol will be removed between now and October 12th. That was the decision of the Capitol Preservation Commission during a meeting where the public was not allowed to speak and commissioners met behind closed doors to discuss the issue.
The members of the Capitol Preservation Commission did not discuss any part of their decision in public, and in fact, to talk about it, they went behind closed doors. Richard Engel is the former chairman and commissioner of the Oklahoma Archives and Records Department. He attended the meeting as a concerned citizen.
Actions are being taken that are outside the proper procedures for the law. Having been, again, Commissioner of Archives and Records, we had to follow open meetings, we had to follow open records, and I'm really concerned that this was outside that process.
Under the state's open meeting law, executive sessions are permitted when an attorney determines that disclosure will seriously impair the ability of the public body to process the claim or conduct a pending investigation, litigation, or proceeding in the public interest. Since the only decision that had to be made was whether to comply with the court's order, a serious impairment to proceeding in the public interest did not seem very apparent. But in a written statement, Attorney General Scott Pruitt said it was entirely appropriate and lawful for the board to enter into executive session to receive legal advice concerning compliance with the order of the district court. At 6 feet tall and weighing in at over 4,800 pounds, it will take some heavy equipment to remove the monument. Exactly when that process will begin is not clear, and at this point it does not appear the public will be invited to watch.
They've had some intelligence come their way that's caused them some additional concern. So we are going to have to coordinate with them on the removal to make sure that it's removed in a secure manner. We want everybody who's in the building to be safe, and we want the monument to be safe.
John Estes is the spokesman for the Office of Management and Enterprise Services, which will oversee the actual removal of the monument. What will happen to it after that is up to the State Representative Mike Ritz and his family, since they paid for its construction and installation. The cost of removing it will fall to taxpayers.
It may not cost anything if we can remove it with equipment we have. We'll see.
The final vote of the Capitol Preservation Commission was 7-1 with one abstention. This is the second version of the Ten Commandments monument. The original, after correcting some basic spelling errors, was destroyed last year when a 29-year-old man drove a car into it. The presence of the monument encouraged other groups to seek equal space for their religious statues, including a satanic church in New York that wanted to erect a 7-foot-tall version of Satan as Baphomet, a Hindu leader in Nevada, an animal rights group, and the satirical church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster.